Hello to everyone. Okay, I want some lunch, but I want to be as cheap as I can because, you know, I'm trying to save $1,000. That's not true. I was cheap before that. Okay, so now my jasmine tea is ready. I will drink it all too. It's very tasty. If you have never tried this, you might want to try it. I like it. I bought in a little assortment, and I like, sugar and milk. Okay, so I want to eat some meals that I prep, just in case I ever had to prep, just in case, you know, the power grid went out or something awful happened, you know, like I was running out of food before payday, God forbid. I want to make sure I have a little food stored up so that I won't be in any danger of going hungry. Also, when you're used to eating this food, this cheap food, you won't be suffering. So, okay, I was in 99-cent only, and I saw this, and it's 11 ounces. First of all, this stuff tastes good. It's just pretty tasty, just for eating. So, you know, that's a good sign. So, okay, I want to eat some lunch, but I want to be as cheap as I can. So I have a little pile of rice, and then I fried some of this bologna. You know, something that tastes kind of much better fried are those Vienna sausages. You could use Vienna sausages instead of this bologna, or you could use hot dogs just as well. So today, I was at 99-cent only, and they had these good hot dogs on sale for 99 cents, so I bought them, and I threw them in the freezer because one of these nights, I will eat them. And I was telling Ricky what I like to eat is hot dogs with rice and ketchup and some vegetables. That's a cheap, super cheap meal too. Okay, so what I made was I made pork top ramen, and I put a little chives in because one time one of my customers was a chef, and I told him, you know, my food is kind of lazola, and he said, well, try some onions. So, okay, I have some top ramen. So I'm being cheap, of course. Am I going to be suffering? Of course not. I just need some food to last me until I make dinner. Let's see how my squash is coming along. Okay. Oh, it's looking good. It's not quite done. Here's my squash. I just drizzled my squash with some oil, and I'm roasting it at 350. So I will stockpile these. For one thing, this is 11 ounces, almost 3/4 pound. And so now, to go with my soup, what is really, really good with top ramen is flaming hot Cheetos. And so one of the things I started prepping was these are generic flaming hot Cheetos. They're cheaper. They're $1. I'm going to eat as many as I please. And I also have, from my chili yesterday, corn chips. Those will be good. Once I open the package, I keep it in the freezer. I don't want stale cookies. So now, this is going to be a good little meal. This is going to be a cheap little meal. This is going to be a prepping meal because I have top ramen. I've prepped top ramen. I prepped rice. And I've prepped Vienna sausages. I have some Spam type food, you know, that I can eat. This could be regular bologna. Just fry your sliced bologna or salami and lay the slices on top. That's good. Okay, that's a good prepper meal for you guys. Oh, my thing is horizontal. I mean vertical. Okay, you guys. God bless you all.